Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to delete Google Workspace users by schedule using xFanatical Foresight Automation tool. Deleting Google Workspace users by schedule is an essential feature for any organization looking to maintain an efficient and secure Google Workspace environment. One of the primary reasons for deleting Google Workspace users by schedule is to safeguard sensitive information, as well as to optimize license costs. xFanatical Foresight Automation tool provides a comprehensive solution for managing Google Workspace users, allowing administrators to easily delete and create user accounts. How to delete users by schedule on Foresight. Log into your Foresight account with your Google admin account. Step 1. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Select the time trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. In the Edit Trigger screen, specify a future date and time to delete the user. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click the Delete User action. This action allows you to delete an individual account from your Google Workspace domain. In the Edit Actions screen, type in the primary email of the user to be deleted. Grant access permission from your Google account for the first time. Step 3. Click Review. On the Review screen, give the rule a name that you will use to identify it. Click Create. The card appears on the Rules page. It's active by default when first created. At the scheduled user deletion time, Foresight Automation tool will notify you of successful rule execution and any failed actions. Monitor notifications in the top right corner. To schedule deleting multiple Google Workspace users on a day, click the menu button and select Duplicate. Now the admin only needs to update the new user's information. To reschedule the deletion of a Google Workspace user account, click the menu button and select the Edit option from the drop-down menu. In the rule interface, choose the trigger time and specify a date and time for rescheduling the deletion of a Google Workspace user account. To cancel the schedule of deleting a Google Workspace user, click the menu button located next to your rule in Foresight. Click on Delete. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.